Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It says I don't want to go, and it is set up to be a 3" by 6" tattoo, and I'm quite pleased with how it looks. I like the nice up and down balance. And let's go ahead and read this design. So first things first, it has a start marker, and this tells you the orientation and direction you start reading the design. And this actually allows the whole design to be flipped, rotated, mirrored, anything. So you can have it vertical, you can have it horizontal like this, you can rotate it any which way, and it will still be legible, because this tells you start here, this is where the bottom is, and then counterclockwise is in that direction. So starting here, our first letter we get is a little guy with a line going inwards, and that's the only letter on this whole word circle, and that letter is an I. Vowels are these little guys. This looks like a vowel too, but it's on our sentence circle, so it's a period. So the circle going around our words are the sentence circles, and then our word circles are inside those, and then our vowels and letters all stick on that as well. And an I is a vowel that has a line radiating inwards towards the center of our word circle. So this whole word is the word I. And then this word, we start at the bottom again, and we have that deep divot shape. Our letters are made up in different rows and columns on the grid above me, and the top row of consonants all starts with this horseshoe shape. And the difference between them is the amount of dots or lines. So this has 3 dots, so we're going to go to the 3-dot column, and we'll see that that rowing column lines up to be the letter D. And then an O is an internal vowel. So rather than being on the line of the word circle, outside the word circle, or centered inside the consonant, this is it's on the line of our consonant stem itself, making it the letter O, and O being the internal vowel. So here's another O as well. So this is an O. Continuing around, we have an N. It's a full circle, so it's going to be in the second row, and it's inside our word circle, so it's not one of those crossing letters in the bottom row, and it has an N, one line on it. One line makes it an N column with one line. And then an apostrophe is a double line going from our word circle out towards our sentence circle. And then this little chunk taken out of our word, that is in the second row. And I use those to link up our letters. Third row, sorry. It's in our third row. So you see how there's a little chunk taken out of our word circle here where it overlaps? That's actually a letter. It's a shallow divot stem, and no lines actually end on it. This one passes clean through, and nothing else actually ends on this letter stem, as opposed to, like, if we look at this one where there's a chunk taken out here, there's those 2 lines ending on it. So that makes it the letter W. But this has nothing, so it's the letter T. So D-O-N apostrophe T. So don't. And then when I'm doing this style where I have the direct overlaps, these sentence circles looks like they could be lines that end on it, but they're not, because there's no actual words that have this stem or that shape. So this has to be our word circle. That means this has to be the shallow divot, which means that the only lines within it are those lines there. But it's to get that nice flowy connected style. I'm rambling again. Okay, so D-O-N apostrophe T, don't. Then this word circle, starting at the bottom, we have this shallow divot here, and there's 2 lines attached to it. This is really sneaky, because it looks like it's one of those floating internal circles, but because it's broken here, because it's chunked off, it's a line that ends there, and it's a line that ends there, making it 2 lines ending on our shallow divot, making it a W. And it's like, why doesn't this count? Well, because it's the word circle. Why doesn't this count? Because it's the word circle. Why doesn't this count? Because it's a sentence circle. Why doesn't this count? Because it's the sentence circle. So here on our word circle, the reason these 2 count is because they are not anything other than line modifiers. So W, and then our A is floating outside of our word circle, and then there are these 4 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, on a shallow divot, making it an NT, so W-A-N-T. And then we have a shallow divot here for our T, and then our O is inside, and then this deep divot here with 1 line on it for the G. And then our O is attached to it, just like that O on the D-O. And then this is a period, because it's on our word circle. So it says, I don't want to go with a period. Period. So yeah, that's your design. I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.